See if we can do something that makes sense. Got this flywheel puller. Careful with the grease they give you. It's pretty grossy. Let's see here. This was supposed to fit. I got it from one of the online sons of bitchers. I'm gonna have to freaking send it back after, because this says left hand, and I'm pretty sure when I read online it is showing left hand. It's not fitting, boys. What the hell? Come on. I mean, it's like too big. They said it would fit. I can see that it's left-handed thread, which is incorrect. But even if it was close to the right size, that would at least want to catch, and it at least wants to start wrongly in this other one. Oh boy, why? You know, even if this one would catch by that much, that would all be really neat. But it just won't. Not recommended at home. But I'm not at home. I just realized you guys weren't even in the shot the whole last episode of my finding out that that puller was not going to work. Oh boy, I don't like that at all. Gonna have to wait for the correct puller, boys. Son of a bitch. And that won't even start because it's the end is fouled up. I'll see what that does. Because as long as I keep these relatively straight, and they're kind of locked in on themselves on the flywheel itself, not on the anywhere near the magnets. Ooh, that might be way better. Where are you at? Still wanting to go kind of cattywampus on me, ain't it? It's better. Here she come, boys. Trust me. I didn't wreck a thing. I hope. And the verdict is in. A couple of marks. I don't know if you can see a couple of marks down in there. Shouldn't be too bad. This other one looks to be in better condition anyways. If you can see the chaselment onto it. So we'll probably use that one when we put it in the. There we go. Thank you. It says I've got 20 minutes worth of card left. What are the chances? See how far I can make it getting the engine out of this thing. Ha, 12 seconds left. Well, almost. Talk to you later. Pop wheelies. Thanks for everybody. 775. Let's hit 1,000. Let's hit 1,000. This thing will be out in the next couple minutes. Says I got 13 seconds left, so I'm going to tell you that I think the frame is sprung or the shock is too long. Both pivots are under tension. I don't know what I have to take loose. Maybe not. See you later. Bye.